What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video, man. Y'all see what we got planned today, man. Headed up to my little bro Steve house. Get it in with him a little bit. Go help him out with some stuff. But you know, bring y'all along the way for the ride or whatever. I don't know what we're gonna get into. I don't know what else I got planned today. But you know, it's a pretty day, so I'm making the most out of every single day. So without further ado, I ain't gonna hold y'all. Cause I'm finna hit this road, man. We gotta make a little drive. So I'll catch y'all in a little bit. All right, y'all. We checking in. Mr. Davis.
Yes, man.
Yes, he is. I told him he got all these engines out here, man. Y'all know it. They right there caught my eye.
Something spicy. It's going on ice. I don't know what we're gonna do with it yet.
Right.
We're trying to turbo some LS stuff.
We
got the platform now.
Yeah, you ready? Hey man, let's go back here and see this thing, man. Let's go back here and see this thing. Hey, this all Steve been talking about, boy. Y'all, I'm finna throw this dog on weed brownie or something. On Friday, like I remember Friday. Ooh. Alright.
Keys to the new spot.
Man, this thing nice, man. This thing here nice, man. He gonna make me wanna go ahead and do mine ASAP rocket now. Oh yeah, it's nice here. It's crazy, man. Well, y'all follow it channel, so y'all saw the process, but it's just crazy seeing it from the beginning, man. All this right here used to be trees. Man, he took all that down himself. If y'all didn't see, go subscribe to the channel, man. Steve Davis. It's on the screen. Go subscribe if you haven't, but most of y'all watch all of our content. Y'all know all of it roll together, so yeah, this nice. This it right here. But see, with mine, what I telling y'all, mine gonna have to be more deep, more length to it, cause I don't want mine this wide like that to take up the yard. That's what I was telling y'all in the other vlog. So mine gonna be more depth than width as far as shot, cause this nice size. So mine gonna be more so deep. Gonna have a little width to it, but not this wide, cause it'll stretch out into the yard, the kids' play area, and the trampoline and stuff, you know. Cause I'm gonna put we're gonna put a playground out there, like one of them big nice wood ones and stuff for the girls and stuff. So it's like a balance. It's a balance in the yard, so gotta keep room for a play set and all this. I like this though. This thing here wide, real spacious. I gotta ask them how long they took to put it up. Cause I told them, I said they're gonna put this thing up the same day, guarantee. Hey Steve, how long it take them to put it up?
It took them 2 days.
2 days. Oh, okay. I wrong. I told them they gonna do it the same day, so I was 1 day off. But
Yeah, they could be the same day, but everything wasn't like boat on. They had to cut a bunch of different stuff.
oh, okay.
All that trim had to be custom cut. The frame had to be cut for the doors. Like everything had to be cut.
That's why. I know
So it took
normally
2 days.
they put these things up in a day, quick.
Oh, dang, 2 days.
All right, y'all. So, man, this is it. This
It's
thing,
nice and small. Nice and small. Well,
man, it's perfect here, man.
it's big enough for me. That's what I was saying. It's big enough for me.
Yeah.
And it's all I could afford, really, because it took a toll.
Yeah, they still call, man. People just look at the building like it's more to it than just the building.
The building, the cheap part.
Yeah,
Shoot,
ain't
I paid $6,200 in concrete and grading, and that's a deal. And we came up with something with his truck and dirt and gravel. 1 load of gravel, over 40 loads of dirt, over 45 loads of dirt.
Man, tell them how much a load. Tell them how much a load of dirt cost. I done had to pay for dirt
Just
too.
one. 125.
Yeah, man.
45 plus loads of dirt.
Y'all do the math. That dirt add up.
And I still ain't done. I got some more to go.
And then y'all gotta look at this, cause like I said, you've been watching the channel, you know he took out a tree down and said, y'all know how much that would have cost to take that many trees?
About 3,000 right there.
Yeah, to take that trees down, man, it would have cost.
For mulching, yeah, it ain't cheap. I'm just saying that.
Yeah, it costs, man, but it worth it. Way I look at it, it gonna pay for itself though. It gonna definitely pay for itself, but man, it's nice. It's nice in here, man. Like this it. That's what I'll tell them. You done been in my house, so I'll tell them mine gonna be more, you know, more deep.
Like that side open up over there.
Huh? Yeah, like deep, more so wide, cause you know I don't want straight. You see my girls trampoline in the pool and all that. Cause I'm about to have a pool constructed too, so. But it's nice, man.
That's what we about to do that right there.
The pool?
Yeah.
Where? Oh, right here?
Yeah, open that area.
Yeah.
Basketball court.
Oh yeah, see he got perfect spot
This be
for
my
it.
spot over there. That's
Car and stuff.
This be play area and all that.
Perfect spot. See, yeah, man, you gotta make do with what you got and stuff. But like with the way Steve spot laid out, I did the same way too, cause he got the area. But my crib kind of go
long.
back. Yeah, it's long. My land go back versus to the side. So
My stuff wide.
yeah,
long too, but the house so damn far in the back.
yeah, the house it's so much stretch out in the house. But, and we gotta finish clearing, but I got my guy coming over there cutting some trees, man. I'm gonna put that on there. I already got that taken care of. Y'all know about the driveway, so y'all keep asking about the shop. I told y'all I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it at one time, man. Like I'm just gonna just do it.
Let the mines out. Hey.
I'm just gonna go ahead and do it, man. It been on the works and stuff, so really with me, you know, y'all saw me. I already had that cleared. Cause if you saw my house from the beginning, man, I done cleared a whole lot of trees and even had where the driveway is, it used to be a hill, like a big hill of dirt. I had all that flattened out. So really for me, I just gotta pour concrete and pay for the building. That's where I'm at. So I'm on the kind of downhill stretch of thing. But this thing nice, man. I like this.
You gonna be happy as hell, watch. I already know.
I like this.
I was jumping up and down.
I know that's all he been talking about.
Hey, I ain't never been able my whole life. I ain't never been able to do this.
Yeah. Oh, it's tight. It's tight. Yeah, you be seeing me by in that garage, boy.
Hey, man,
Ooh, we. Yeah, man.
Well, I really want to go 30 deep, but that would have been 36 more, 6 more feet of not 4. That's 26. 4 more
Concrete.
feet of concrete, dirt, and people's time. So
Yeah.
all I really want to do is be able to pull motor without opening the door.
Yeah, and that's it too.
It's 26, and that's good enough.
26. What's the width of this thing?
45.
45.
So I want to be able to comfortably work on 3 cars. Say if I'm doing something,
And you can too.
and not just stop because I'm trying to do some money stuff. Because really, I'm kind of going away from doing mechanical stuff for people because this is really it ain't there.
Your own stuff.
So that wiring and woodwork and all that stuff, potion type stuff, it's a way better profit margin. So I'm gonna stick to that over there. So this would be like my little mechanical area, and then both of these spots would be wiring and stuff like this.
Right.
Audio, but
Yeah,
I got a toolbox. Man, I should
Hey,
call you for that.
Hey, they look like what is a Matco?
Hell,
what it is?
Husky.
Husky. I would say, well, hey, I just saw a Matco, man. Look, this.
It's Husky.
Yeah, I see.
Home Depot.
Boy, you got that thing. This what I need. Look, I'm gonna get one too, y'all. It just y'all know my garage turned to a gym though. I got to finish my gym project, so.
I need some help with this. I ain't gonna even lie.
Hey man, this what you called me for, ain't it?
No, I call
What the
you
other
for
thing?
the saw.
Oh yeah, they right the
The
saw.
saw just it's too big for me to do.
Man, you should have waited, man. We could have got there too.
555 pounds is what this thing
The
is.
saw, they're heavier than the saw.
The saw is big.
You should have called me.
I ain't even recorded, but I put this on the trailer.
Hey.
And I wheeled it off the trailer, and then I put it on Instagram, but
Yeah.
I put this part right by the door, and I put this on the bed when they loaded at the stove. So I just
Man.
put this close as I could to this and slid it on top.
Hey, listen, man. Anytime you need to move something, you need to call me. Cause look, y'all. When I came over here last time, we was in the house. He said, man, I said, Steve, you don't need no more mishaps.
Hey,
that's all I'm saying.
Our washer went out, right? So I had to get another washer. And I was like, I gotta get another, cause I wear the same stuff when I work in it. And then after so many days, like, all right now.
Yeah.
All right. So I had to get a washer. Got the washer, and the old washer was for the water. And I was like, man, I need some help getting this downstairs. I should be all right. First step, the washer slipped, fell down the stairs, broke. She said, I was like, damn, man.
Hey,
I'm
man.
like, hey, look what happened to the stairs. You see it?
Yeah,
Like,
man.
Hey,
Yeah.
just call me this.
I said, call me that time, man. Had a mishap, y'all. I said, yeah, man. So I come down here to help him out, man. We're gonna move and stuff. Y'all know that. So yeah,
That's all, man.
nice. It wide. It one of them wide things. It's odd shape and stuff, so it's hard to move.
She was like, damn, that's a big ass saw. Like, yeah, that's a Home Depot saw.
Oh yeah. I like the toolbox, man. That's what I be needing, boy. A toolbox get small quick, man. Toolbox get.
This would be more than enough. I ain't got that many. I got a lot of tools, but I ain't got that many hand tools. So all that fit in there.
Yeah.
Oh, this would be my little Milwaukee area.
Yeah, see, that's what I need, man. I want some. I mean, it's overkill for what I got too, but it's like you can get to it faster, man. You can space everything out. I mean, workflow be faster. Yeah, I like this. Yep. So we're gonna cut y'all back on in a minute. Checking back in. Steve, man, we got this. Oh yeah, all the way down. I said, man, I want to see this thing in action, man. I want to see this in action. It's right here, stepping the game up. Y'all see how we loaded that thing up, man. Y'all check that out on his vlog. He got that coming. This thing here is big, boy. This is about upgrade, invest in your brand and yourself. That's what it's about. So we about to see this in action. Y'all stay tuned.
That's what they call me at work, perfect. Effective. Perfect.
All right, y'all, he making it happen.
Mark.
Y'all gotta check his video out, see the first use of this thing. I'll be in his vlog or whatever. So he got it all set up, ready to go. Y'all make sure you go check the vlog. I see this thing in action. All right, y'all, we checking back in, man. I'm back from Mr. Davis' house and all that, man. Y'all know, had to go up there and help my little bro out or whatever. So, good little day, man. Good little vlog. Pretty weather today. Now I'm finna just chill out, man. Ain't nothing going on today. I'm finna chill out. Really ain't too much to do to the car and stuff. Got an update on Dolo. Was going to crank Dolo up, but I had to buy a very expensive part called one on right, so I had to buy something very expensive. I ain't saying what it is, cause y'all know it just gotta be secreted right now. But I'm gonna have oil pressure probably today. I'm pretty sure he's gonna call me today. Y'all seeing this, I'm probably gonna have oil pressure. I probably already got oil pressure, and it's a good chance we probably gonna. Well, I ain't gonna say a good chance. I know for a fact. Cause Hustle Hard, man, Frank Jackson, the truth. The number is on the screen. They the truth, and y'all gonna see. Cause you gonna see how the box get down. But like I said, it's a good chance. I'm pretty sure we'll have that thing back in that spot, covered up, like I told y'all. So it'll be back right there. I'm literally move John Jones. I'm gonna move them all around, then put Dolo right where it was, and then I'm gonna cover it up. And like I said, y'all just gonna know we got oil pressure. I know everybody ready to see the car, especially on the ground, man. People been saying they ready to see the car. I got it coming. If you ain't on my Instagram, man, you got to get on my Instagram, man. I be dropping stuff over there. J Mac 2004 Rides, man. I be dropping little snippets and reels and stuff. Little stuff they don't even put on YouTube. Sometimes you see some of the shakedown stuff. I don't even some lost footage that go on there and all that. So you know, that's what's going on. That's what's going on. Look at her. She got going on.
Watching Teeny jump on the trampoline because she don't want to go inside.
Look at Teeny. Look at Teeny. Shell right here. Every time I turn around, you eat some. Look, she can't ride the bike for trying. You can't ride the bike and eat at the same time.
I'm not eating it.
Riding the bike, crushing the tips up. Boy, I tell you, something else, man. Something else. Shell, You ready for Dolo to come back?
Yeah.
Look, y'all ready to ride in, huh?
Yeah.
They ready to ride. Look, she taught herself how to ride a bike, man. We were working with her a little bit, then we took a break, and then she just taught herself. That funny, man. She taught herself how to ride a bike. Ain't nothing wrong with that. Nothing wrong with that, man. The advanced kids. Then the truck, y'all been asking about the Ford. The
Bring it up here, Tiny. I'm in jail.
what chain came off?
Yeah.
That truck right there,
Bring it up here.
man. I gotta put the chain back on the bike,
We'll
y'all.
fix it. I know what
But,
to do. Bring it up here.
The truck on the engine on back order. Y'all been asking me, like I done said in another vlog, the engine on back order. We still gonna put the new Coyote in there just because the truck run, but I want a 0 mile motor. So we're gonna put a 0 mile engine in it, and then we're gonna go ahead and do the lift and all that. This stuff gonna be fast, cause it don't really take long. Lift kit, buy the wheels. When the wheels come in, we're gonna go get the lift kit on and all that. Cause these kids older. That's the only reason we didn't lift this truck up. I ain't want to lift it up at first because the kids was so little, and then, you know, put them in there, and they was in seats and stuff. I was like, nah, I wasn't finna lift it, but now they ain't. So we're gonna lift that thing up, change the wheels, and we're gonna be ready right there with the Ford. We're gonna be pulling up in that all the time. So that's it, man. Good vlog, man. Good day. A little short. I just had to pull the camera out. And tomorrow I'm back at the track. I'm gonna be at the track all weekend. I'm taking the Cutlass back to the track again this weekend, this Sunday. I'm taking the Cutlass back to the track. I don't even know when I'm dropping it, cause I got so many vlogs. It might be done drop on Sunday, but I'm taking the Cutlass to the track, cause it's all the way ready. Can finally get a time. I hope the time system working, cause last time system wasn't working. So yeah, that's what's going on, man. That's what it is, y'all. I appreciate y'all. I'll catch y'all later. I'm out.